this morning at the Hilton for our annual Learn, Grow, Excel conference. This is one of the highlights of our business support platform. It's where we bring together everything that we do and really kind of build companies up, give them the capacity to go and give them a bit of inspiration with the company stories, and also give them access to experts about markets, about how to run your business, about your talent, everything going on this morning. So it's a jam-packed agenda.
The message today is about the whole programme of Learn, Grow, Excel and how particularly that pertains and relates to exporting and helping people to really understand the big leap of faith, the ambition, but also the rewards that brings by exporting and developing your business through that particular medium. Ulster Carpet exports 80% of its product today, which allows us to employ 350 people in Portadown and provide many other opportunities for suppliers to ourselves. So this conference, again, if it's helping exporting, helping people to learn more, helping people to be a bit more confident, then we're delighted to be involved in sponsoring today's event.
Power and I are the SME partner for the Learn, Grow, Excel initiative, and we've been in right from the very beginning to help provide support to what we believe is a fantastic initiative to help local SME businesses start their export journey and explore new markets in different parts of the world. Conferences and events like this are very important. It'll be an opportunity to make connections, important business connections, have those important business conversations, and also to take inspiration from others who have made the journey before you and learn from their experiences and their successes.
Initially, when I went into business, the only market I saw for our products was in the aid relief sector. But now we service all kinds of places in the world. There's very few countries in the world that we haven't sold to. We would sell to the oil industry, we would sell to the chemical, the pharmaceutical industry, we sell to agriculture, we sell to fire services around the world, we sell to civil defence forces. So we're geographically and market-wise a great spread, but great experiences in all those markets. For a networking point of view, and I'm sort of at a senior age now, so it's good that I share some of my experience to the younger entrepreneurs coming through, and hopefully they won't make the mistakes that I made.